Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to record calls on the Samsung Galaxy S23. First, you need to install a third-party application because the standard phone app doesn't have call recording in some countries. If the feature is available in your country, you can open the phone app, tap the three dots, go to settings, and you'll see call recording. In my country, it's not available. Once installed, all your calls will be automatically recorded. This app can't record sound from the internal speaker without root access. It will only pick up voice from the microphone. To record both your voice and your partner's without root, you need to enable the external speaker mode during calls. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and bye.